Hi, today we will see how we are going to convert a PDF or a PNG file to CDR. So how to take it? So we can make an image in Canva, or you can make the image in anywhere which is PNG or PDF, but it is preferred to save it as PDF print so that we can convert it into CDR. What is CDR? CDR is a CorelDRAW, because whenever we are printing something, it is effective when you are printing it as a CDR file. So how we are going to work with? So we have to make you can say post like that, or image, whatever you want to make it. Like I have made this. So take a deep breath and try all over again, or whatever you can put, that is your choice. So share it like you are sharing it, and then say download. When you click on the download here, you just have to choose one thing that is called as PDF print. So when you click on the PDF print, when you click on the download, so that file will be as a PDF print in your downloads. So click on the download, and once it is downloaded, you need to open the CorelDRAW. If the CorelDRAW is there in your system, that is fine. If it is not, you need not to install it again for that, because you have to just convert a file. You need not to open the CorelDRAW all over, and you need not to design there. But if you are a designer, graphic designer and all, it will be in your system. But if it is not, just you have to click on the Google Chrome or any web browser. You can just type web.coreldraw.com, or you can just search for CorelDRAW. It will give you the latest version, and it will say it is free and for some period, for the 16 days, like that. You need to give some your username or email ID, your name which is there in your CorelDRAW, and within a few seconds you will see it will open like this. So what you have to do for that, to convert a PDF or a PNG or any other data type, whatever the type of the file is, into a CorelDRAW. The reason behind is why we are every time as a if I have to print it as a hard copy, so the quality of your pictures will be very enhanced as compared to the other. So what you will do, you will just click on the file. If you want to go with the new from template, or you can click on the new document. So for a beginner, you will say new document, you click on it, and it will say what you want to. If you want to give a name, that is fine. If you don't want to give, so the name which you have given already to it, it will take as it is. So for example, if I am giving a name, for example ABC, this is the name, and I say OK, so it will open a blank document for you within a second. See, this is a CorelDRAW document. Just what you have to do, you need not to create it again here, no, because we are converting a PDF or a PNG or a JPG file into CDR, right? So what you will do, you will just click on the file, you will click on the open. So we have downloaded that, so we just have to click on the download. We just click on the file which is downloaded, so double click on that automatically. Then here it will say import PDF. Here you need to make some changes. You click on the curves, and you make sure that this click on the crop content to drawing page, this should be enabled, and this import comments and place on a separate layer should be enabled. So these two settings should be enabled. Okay, so you just click on the OK button here, and if your image you have designed that it properly in Canva, it will be here. See, so in a few seconds we have chosen that file from the Canva to the CorelDRAW. Now how I can get the CDR extension? Now just you have to click on the file, you have to click on the save as, and you will see the extension will be there, CDR, that is CorelDRAW, right? So it's very easy. It seems to be it's a difficult to get the CDR from the Canva. It's very easy, because nowadays it's a web applications are there. So you just have to type web.coreldraw.com and you will get a trial. And if you want to, you can install the CorelDRAW for the future if you are working as a web designer or a graphic designer. So click on the OK. If you click on OK, it will say where you want to store it. So just give the name whatever you want. For example, ABC I am giving. So CorelDRAW, that will be the CDR file. As see, already there are the files for like CDR. That's it. So now it says that this application is good or not. So I'm saying yes, I love it, and hope you also love this application, which is there online. You need not to, as I again telling you, you need not to install CorelDRAW from the basics. So hope you like this content for converting the PDF or a PNG or any graphic into CDR file, which is very very important when we have to print the application. Its quality is really good. So thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like the channel, and I'll meet you in the next chapter of programming. Till then, take care. Bye bye.